Adeniums or desert rose? Love direct sun. The potting mix includes garden soil and sand in equal proportion. I water my adenium once a week in winters and every day in summers because the pot is tiny. During the growing season, feed the plant with NPK fertilizer at least once a month. If your adenium has bugs on it, wipe them off with cotton dipped in alcohol. Don't forget to remove any dead foliage or spent flowers to promote better growth of the plant. Happy gardening!